Well, it's getting close to nighttime now. We're at Lincoln the One Shoe Dog's house, and this is the aftermath. There used to be all pairs of shoes here, but now they're just a single shoe. They used to have partners. Let's see where that one shoe bandit, Lincoln, hid his shoes. That nutty dog hid him right there. Here's one shoe I found. Where's another shoe? Lincoln, what did you do with all those shoes that you hid? Where are they? Give me a sign, Lincoln. One shoe. Give me a sign. Give me a sign. Where did you hide those shoes? Let's see. Lincoln, where'd you put those shoes that you hid? Where are those shoes that you hid? Lincoln, how did you get it up there? How the heck did you get that shoe on the air conditioner? God only knows what that quirky brain of yours, one shoe. Might as well get that one, bring it back to its rightful owner. Where'd you hide that other blue shoe? There we go. Oh, how the heck did you get it up on the air conditioner? One shoe. Come on, one shoe. Let's go look for your other shoes that you hid. I tell you, when people come down here to visit you, they can't take their shoes off to relax without a nutty dog like you taking their shoes and stealing them. Let's see, maybe we got another shoe here. Oh, right on the sliding board. Why don't you chew on a bone? Hey, you, Lincoln. Why don't you chew on bones like a normal dog? What's wrong with you? One shoe. Okay. I found all of his shoes that he hid. Thank you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Buttons McGee. Have a great day.